This story is remarkable. A groundbreaking experimental drug trial found that every single patient with the same form of rectal cancer saw their cancer disappear. That's right, disappear. All patients were given an immunotherapy drug for 6 months, and the tumors vanished in every single one. Joining us for more this morning is Dr. Hannah Sanoff, who is not involved with the study, but has written a full commentary on the results. And she joins us from the University of North Carolina's Lineberger Comprehensive Cancer Center. Good morning to you.
Hi, good morning.
I had to read and triple check this headline and then read the story again and again. I couldn't believe what I was reading. As a doctor who diagnoses and treats cancer patients, how significant of a breakthrough is this in the fight against rectal cancer?
I mean, it's fantastic. You know, as you said in your intro, like we'd never see 100% of anybody respond to any medical therapy we give them in cancer. So it is fantastic. I do want to say from the outset, as you said in your introduction, that this really was only for a subset of rectal cancer patients. So unfortunately, this subtype is only about 5%, but it is still incredibly exciting news.
Well, I think what everyone wants to know is this form of treatment. What makes it so unique? Why did we see the results that we did?
Well, we don't actually know that. The treatment itself is not terribly unique. We've been using these drugs, which are called immune checkpoint inhibitors, now for probably about 20 years or so. They first started in melanoma, and now they're actually standard of care in quite a few cancers. We use them in colorectal cancer in people who have metastatic cancers, but we usually don't see this remarkable response like we saw in these rectal cancer patients. So there's a lot of work to go on in terms of figuring out why these primary contained rectal cancers did so well.
With cancer treatments like radiation and chemotherapy, there are severe side effects. Are there any side effects with this type of drug?
Typically, yes. I mean, these immunotherapies are usually well tolerated, though they do carry a risk of sort of severe complications when your body's immune system can attack itself, called autoimmune diseases. But in this study, actually, nobody had any severe complications. It was, again, truly remarkable.
Anybody who's hearing this headline is going to wonder, can it be used to treat other types of cancers?
Yeah, so actually this whole class of drugs is FDA approved in, I didn't count, but a lot of diseases, you know, and sometimes we see really remarkable responses in other cancers as well. And so if anybody is listening to this and has cancer or has a loved one with cancer, really important to talk to your doctor about whether this is something that could apply to you.
Last word to you, doctor. When you see results like this, and you've been on this, I mean, this is your life's journey, dealing with patients and looking into this field of study. What does it mean to you to see findings like this?
Oh my gosh, it would just be, I can't even imagine how wonderful it would be to walk into a room and say, hey, I can just give you 6 months of this treatment, and then you won't have to have radiation, surgery, you won't have to have long-term complications that come from those things, which can really be devastating. So, oh gosh, I really hope this pans out to be the next standard of care.
Dr. Sanoff, great to meet you. Thanks for joining us here on Your Morning.
It was fun.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked this, be sure to subscribe here, or you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.